Yo, what's good guys? Ibzyforex right here. And in this video, I just want to do a quick breakdown on how I was able to cash 500 pips on Btcusd. And guys, Ibzyforex always shares a signal before it happens. In Telegram channel, you can see trade with Ibzyforex. I shared this the before and then the after. I always share my group. I always share my trade insight in the Telegram channel. Not that I'm perfect, I take losses too, but wins are always higher than our losses. 5 RR is a lot. So, without further ado, let's get to the video. Yo guys, so this is the chart on Btcusd, and if you're in the Telegram group, I actually like fumbled with a nice entry around this point here. Yeah, I fumbled with my entry around this point here. Yeah, around this point I closed. I was thinking, yeah, my stop was here. I was thinking it was gonna like retrace to this other block here. I was thinking it was to retrace to this supply zone here. That was why I closed. But unfortunately it did not, and just boom. Since I already know my directional bias, what I did was to start looking for sales, and this was how I caught the sell. So right here, right now, started marking out break of structures. Yeah, each break of structure. Yeah, the break of structure here. Oh, sorry. The break of structure here. Then this little one here. Sorry. Then yeah, also it's just little break of structures. Yeah, so the major ones I looked into before taking the trade. Yeah, guys, this one here. Then this one here. So guys, if you notice this area here, after each break of structures here, you can see the retracement to this other block here. After price broke structure at this point here, it retraced to mitigate this other block here, or you can say supply zone here. So you can see how price moved here. Then yeah, so a very good trade. This was what I looked into. You can see how price moved there. So the same thing that happened there after this break of structure, retracement to this other block here, then the sell continuation. Because we already know our directional buyers are sell. We already know that our directional buyers is sell. So BTC have been buried. So you just have to look for your sell. So after this break of structure here, well, I have to like mark out this area here. I have to like mark out this area here as our point of interest. I had to mark out it as our point of interest. I marked it out as our point of interest, and my risk was not much. It was wide because kind of doubted the trade. You see how the trade moved, right? See the early those who entered too early, might have just entered from here. For me, actually, if you're in Telegram channel, I entered early also. Yeah, I was thinking price will just respect the fair value gap because it kind of retraced from this fair value gap here. And I think I entered there. If you're in the channel, you know that we entered at this point here. And our stop was just above this wick here. Then profit was just this low here. So unfortunately for us, we got stopped out just few pips away. We got stopped out, and I knew that okay, since this just liquidity, just to trap liquidity. So all I did was to mark out this point as my liquidity because market just used here as liquidity to stop out early sellers out, to stop early seller out. So I'm marked here as my liquidity. I think when I left this trade was not when price even stopped just out. As I left the trade, I think around when price was here, then I think I found more clarity in the trade that okay, price respected this supply zone here. Price is doing same thing for this area here. That was when I marked out this point as my liquidity, and boom, boom guys. I was in position. My stop was just above this previous high here and targeted this low here because I was very sure price was coming to take out this low. Very sure. I was very sure price was coming to take out this low right here. So you can see before and after. I actually send the trade signal, the chart signal on November 2nd, and it all played out November 3rd stroke November 4th. I think the trade took around 12 hours plus to play out. So the on the sniper entry, guys, was a sniper entry, and boom, boom, guys. Full take profit, guys. Full take profit. 500 pips, guys. 500 pips, guys. So I hope you learned something on how I was able to catch this 500 pips move on Btcusd using just break of structure, liquidity, or induce. You can call it inducement and demand zone. And if you are not in the Telegram channel, use the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram channel, or the link is in my bio. Join the Telegram channel. Let's print money. And before you go, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Peace.